This is a 5000 BTU white Westinghouse air conditioner from 2001. This is one of my newer WCI air conditioners. .9 amps, 515 watts, and an EER of 9.7. May of 2001. This one has a General Electric fan motor in it. You can see the GE logo right there. And it's got an LG compressor. Some of the fins were a little bent. I just finished straightening most of them out, so that's looking a lot better. And there's a side view of the motor. I go to high fan. Nice and quiet, pulling 0.56 amps on high, 67 watts. And there's low, 0.44 amps, 53 watts. Alright, time to put the heater in front of it. I just heard the thermostat click to start the compressor. It's been running for a couple minutes. This one takes a long time to get cold if it's been sitting for a while. I haven't started this one up in a long time, so it's at 2.92 amps, 310 watts. And it was at about 80 because of the heater. Now it's down to 73, so it is dropping. It's now up to 3.65 amps and 402 watts. Down to 55 degrees, so it's definitely cooling down now. Looks like it's going to stay around 4.04 on low, 450 watts, and it's down to about 50 degrees. That's with the heater going right into it. Go up to high speed. 4.1 amps. 460 watts. And that's about where it was on low before. Took the heater away from it, and that's what the temperature is getting down to.